Today I'm going to be making a very easy chicken fried rice. I'm utilizing a lot of ingredients that I have left over to put together something that will at least feed 2 to 3 people. So for my fried rice, I'm using day-old white rice that I made in the rice cooker. If I had to guess, this is probably around 3 cups of cooked day-old rice, maybe 3.5. I also have 1 chicken breast that I'm going to chop up and use. And here is what I'm going to add. I recently did a chicken salad video and I chopped too much celery and bell pepper, so I'm going to add that in the mix. Remember my ramen for 2 video? I had these leftover carrots that I cut little bears out of. I'm going to chop that up. 1 large egg, half of a small onion, 1 green onion. I have some garlic paste that I'm going to toss into the mix. You can add fresh garlic. For the seasoning or salt and flavor for this, I'm using a 1/3 cup of chicken broth, or if you have chicken stock, that works. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to this. Gonna mix that up. And my chicken broth is warm, so what I'm going to do is dissolve half of a teaspoon of sugar. This is not going to make it sweet, it's just going to give it sort of like that umami flavor that you get with takeout rice. And just mix that up, and this is what I'm going to season my rice with. Here I've already chopped up or sliced up my chicken. I'm going to add some onion powder, garlic salt. You could just do garlic powder and a little bit of salt, and some white pepper. I'm going to give that a mix and let that hang out until I need it. I'm going to add my oil. I'm going to go in with my fresh vegetables first here. My chopped carrot, chopped celery, and bell pepper. Add a pinch of salt to help sweat out the vegetables. I'm going to cook my chicken. The chicken does not take that long, so now I'm going to add my garlic paste. Now I'm going in with my rice. By the way, I am working with a medium-high heat, but the heat source or the heat setting will vary depending on your heat source, whether you're working on gas or electric. If you need to add a little more oil, do so. I'm actually working with the spray oil, so I'll do that a couple times throughout the cooking process. But, you know, use the cooking oil of your choice. I'm going to create a space in my pan. Add a little more oil here. I'm going in with my egg. Now work it into the rice. I'm going in with my chicken broth soy liquid. I'm going to add a little more pepper. Now I'm going to drizzle in some sesame oil. For my last ingredient, I'm going to add, right at the end, my chopped green onion, the green part, right into the pan. And that's it. This is done. I'm just going to give this a toss and serve. I'm also going to shut off the heat at this point. So here is my chicken fried rice. And this is definitely enough for a side for about 4 people, or if you just want to make it a meal, definitely for 2. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.